Enjoy a flawless home and feel like a pro with Erase-A-Hole Wall Repair Putty. Our unique formula is an effortless way to create a beautiful, seamless finish to all types of damaged surfaces in your home. Erase-A-Hole is easy to apply, dries quickly, and delivers professional results. No tools required. Renew your space in 3 easy steps. Fill the hole or crack with Erase-A-Hole's built-in applicator. Wipe away excess with a dry cloth and apply paint directly over the treated area. Our one-of-a-kind formula is invented by a drywall professional, has extra long shelf life, is proudly made in the USA, and will not shrink or crack. Erase-A-Hole is perfect for drywall, wood, or plaster. Holes left from nails or screws, erasing cracks, repairing damage left by artwork, renewing walls in a rental, ceilings, baseboards, and trim, damage left from TV mounting, and cabinet drawer pulley replacement. Easy application, flawless finish.